Memo akwaba de ba GCN pages so meeting at the Adwa searching. Mr. Subscribe to my channel. Found some ya be on so. Ube a notification and some ya koso avia benye bi eti anase ubenye bi ahwe. Efia Schwarzenegger ena or the message way Emma His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Na ensem efia Kenya ne se nana wo ye basha boni too much. Nana se Ghana fo krokro yem bi say. I to say Jumedi bi bagana hani yen dibia. Nye na begina TV so no krokro yen. Na ye nani mbobombo no kasa kire yen. Efia Schwarzenegger chese nana. Sad na wo ye lijai. Na COVID-19 ya riba yi nana ebegina TV so no pagana for chel. Stay home. Monsha max. Mo use hand sanitizers. Ghana phone say. Stay home na you stay. Hand sanitizer na you use. Nose mask nso aye hye. And nose mask ndo be hye anu we yi ato na bodwiase. Ghana fo ye gigi na na dododo. Na ina Efia Schwarzenegger chese nana. Men fi Ghana fo. Men ha chese men krokro yen. Na do fo ye be kaya enche bia na yete say COVID-19 vaccine abedu Ghana ha no. Na vaccine abedu Ghana ha no Ghana fo so wo because omo wa omo ya low sperm count. Obi said litri hu betutu. Obi so ontu menwo. Chese ensem bebre na ekoso e wo Ghana ha no. Na ina Efia Schwarzenegger chese na nei. Mempa ye nchew. Na COVID-19 e ba Ghana ha se ebe yi sebio. Omo ntu mendwen. Sebia jimi for Ghana ha no na ebe yi omo afim. Tina na se Ghana fo so omo no vaccine na. Omo nwo vaccine na ja omo. Na COVID-19 ni wo na sebio wontu me for mo adwen ye aduma no. Eyi omo mfim. Na omo nko. Na yesa wo krokro yen. Na do fienti ensem Efia Schwarzenegger e de etuja.
Nanado ye basheboni o nanado. His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo. We are basheboni too much. Nanaden. Bible crossing museum for mo nei. Mo biem. Unyim kwafo anoka. Enkwasi afo enu mti memu nei. Ebe kaka ye ho biem. Ye nyim kwan bia be fa so betu wo. Nyame adom yen akofo corona aba. Eba be yi wo mo ntimi nwene. Emfiri ho. Na wo pa wo macho. Se chinchin mo nko pani. E da bi na na mpo macho. Enu ade okwo we kura no. Omo sie ye nsuo na mempo mi sie ye donso. Empo macho. Wo di acho mo kura we ne kwa masojafo. Akwo pani na soja ni de pani bedu fie ho. Na ade wo se won wo a. Ni ahwe de obema. Ghana Paboko Nana, Messi will be a great leader to say JJ because yen yet force into Yana the man. Nanado ye basheboni o nanado. His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo. We are basheboni too much. Nanaden. Bible crossing museum for mo nei. Mo biem. Unyim kwafo anoka. Enkwasi afo enu mti memu nei. Ebe kaka ye ho biem. Ye nyim kwan bia be fa so betu wo mo nyame adom yen akofo corona aba e baba be yi wo mo ntimi nwene emfiri ho na wo pa wo macho se chinchin mo nko wo pani e da bi na na mpo macho enu ade okwo we kura no omo sie ye nsuo na mempo mi sie ye donso empo macho wo di acho mo kura we ne kwa masojafo akwo pani na soja ni de pani bedu fie ho na ade wo se won wo a ni ahwe de obema. Ghana Paboko Nana, Messi will be a great leader to say JJ because yen yet a force into Yana the man. No, Uncle Yenny you. Opu Obajoba, Uncle Titini ye. What I say? Make Kensi Subium. Make Kensi Subium. When you allow a 14 years boy, a 15 years boy to drink Smirnoff Ice, which is alcoholic. Are you doing good to that child? Are you doing good to that child? Sa kwalani di 18 na die no be. Sa kwalani di 18 na e die na sa kwalani obeye. We should be bia. E was a we as a young girl to raise your own children. Do it. Me awani na ye. Peduma na fa wonsa ye. Madam, uton nsu a. Unye kurasi ni o uton nsu a. Let me just remind you something. Mama min kai mu bibi ketuwa bi. Me and my papa say Kwame Despite. He is, if not the richest man in Ghana. He is one, if not the richest man in Ghana. Today I came to remind you that Dr. Osei Kwame Despite. Wayeden Otonchine. You two are your dated souls. Any dear. Otonchine. Now, what dear I was going to mean donchine. Oh, what dear. Oh, what dear I was going to mean donchine. Dr. Osei Kwame Despite. Otonchine. He sells salt. For one side, Duma, and I Duma Wuda. We are Duma Wuda. Dr. Oforisapo specialize here on the 30 year. And so, why the woods to catch Dr. Oforisapo? Otonsio, and no pepe Casachra Wajune. Otonsio, Obiumia. And I want to be your mommy. And I want to be your mommy. Me and my children, we've been homeless before. Me and my children, I've said it several, we've been homeless before. And if your mommy is homeless today, it doesn't mean she'll be homeless forever. If you don't have it today, it doesn't mean you will not have it. Me, I'm strongly against Obidineba. Na Ujana, no. Ekurawa. Hey, una ukurawa dio. Una atiana wote. Una okasa na wote. Una betimi aka wono kure achire no. And young ladies, we should learn to cut our coats. First, you have to cut your coat according to your size. Obi want a size and a switch any coat, no. So now there you cut your coat according to your fabric. Or fabric and then swan. Now a panjarabia, no what's nasty. This generation more pray. Pray. May sarcasm subium. Raise your kids. Do something. Do something. A yensuum pa. A ye one seed in pa. It's your hard-earned money. When you read the Bible, say, and so whatsoever they do it, they shall prosper. That is what you have to do something. What I say? Bible class, whatsoever they do it, they shall prosper. They like don't baby and shiraba so. Not as I was so weird baby. I was so weird baby. I was so don't say a baby and jaw back and fan coma will be emanin sen. What I say? And jaw back and fan coma will be emanin sen. Emanin sen. Because a bass say ya, I did say ya. Ni nyamia memoir editing. Nyamia memoir editing. Me de dem be kan ya no no. Ko to amen komos why? Dem be kan ya no no. Ko to amen komos. Me sa kesi so. Obi de be jawa. Hweni yie. Titini yie. Me house girls grabbing no matter no. When they go, they come back. Mommy ya feel, mommy ya feel, mommy, we want to come and spend Christmas with you. Mommy, we want to come home. Why? Because in this house, we raise heroes and champions by the grace of God. Obi denied the Jawa, Shasuye. Ush Obi Adiesuya, Ebeyawodia. That is for a fact. So Obi Adiama now Shasuya. You end up owning it. You own it with no stress. You own it with no stress. What do you say? Nyamisha mwate. Na omo muhuba mwate. Na onfa uja enshiwa tanfu. Ene mkwasi ya fu. Nyame ema adom ene kese ewo moso. Na bro nyei. Asima make adwene ho na nesi pa adwuma bi ye wate pa adwuma bi Eh, what? We are Juma, Juma, Fancy, Juma thing. What? A coin, what? Yeah, bye bye. May the check as soon as you feel gone. Abram.